Have you ever tried to untangle the intricate web of applying for an EB-1A visa? If you have, then you know it's no walk in the park. It's more like navigating a labyrinth with countless turns and dead ends. But don't worry, we're here to share a story that might just shed some light on the process. If need professional advice and guidance on this matter, don't hesitate to reach out. Call the Shah Peerally Law Group at 510-7425887. Imagine this. A bright, talented individual, we'll call him John, made his way to the United States with dreams of contributing his unique skills to the country's diverse cultural tapestry. John had heard of the EB-1A visa, a golden ticket of sorts reserved for those with extraordinary abilities. Little did he know the path to securing this visa was strewn with challenges. John began the process brimming with optimism. He meticulously gathered all the necessary documents, filled out the forms, and submitted his application. But soon, he found himself embroiled in a whirlwind of complex immigration laws and regulations. The application process, which he had initially thought of as straightforward, turned out to be a maze of legal jargon and intricate procedures. He was asked for additional evidence, his application was delayed, and his dream of securing the EB-1A visa seemed to be slipping away. Just when John was on the brink of giving up, he decided to hire a lawyer, and not just any lawyer, but one that came highly recommended. The Shah Peerally Law Group. Armed with a deep understanding of immigration law and a commitment to their clients, the Shah Peerally Law Group took John's case. They examined every detail of his application, identified the gaps, and provided the much-needed legal guidance. They helped John understand the process, navigate the complexities, and most importantly, they restored his hope. With their help, John gathered the additional evidence required. His application was processed, and in the end he was granted the EB-1A visa. His dream, once seemingly out of reach, had finally come true. So what does John's story tell us? It shows us the importance of having a good lawyer when applying for an EB-1A visa. It's not just about filling out forms and submitting documents. It's about understanding the complex laws, knowing how to navigate them, and having the tenacity to see the process through. And that's where a good lawyer comes in. The Shah Peerally Law Group, for instance, with their expertise and dedication, can make the difference between a successful application and a disappointing rejection. They can help demystify the process, provide the necessary guidance, and stand by you every step of the way. So, if you're thinking about applying for an EB-1A visa, remember John's story. Remember the challenges he faced, how he almost gave up, and how a good lawyer turned his dream into a reality. It's a complex process. But with the right help, it's a process you too can navigate successfully. And that, dear listener, is the crux of our message today. The EB-1A visa application process isn't easy, but with a good lawyer by your side, it's a challenge you're well equipped to face. So dare to dream, and when you do, remember to reach out to a good lawyer, because dreams, after all, are meant to come true.